Floki jumped 25% after a post on X from Elon Musk. But beneath the headlines, this move says more about the state of the market than it does about Elon himself. Let's break it down in today's video. Welcome to the Daily Blockhead, where I cover daily crypto news, trending coins, market shifts, and the global events shaping today's crypto. Now, let's jump right into it. It has been a strange couple of weeks, and honestly, the news has been the same regurgitated content over and over. One article says the market will jump by 100x by the end of October, and then the next will say Bitcoin is going to crash to 80,000. And this all depends on the analyst you're talking to. For me, while I feel like these articles may have some merit, the fact of the matter is I am not hyper-focused on prices. Don't get me wrong, I love seeing my portfolio in green. But at this point in the cycle, I see this lateral movement as a time to stack and stack hard. I generally have a long-term outlook on crypto, with exception to name-only meme coins. Meaning, that's all they are. No infrastructure, no purpose, and they are there just for the vibes. So when I saw Floki making headlines again, I figured it was worth talking about the coin and the community. One of the standout efforts is the partnership with Water Wells for Africa. In a post on X, they said, "We're proud to partner with Water Wells WWFA, or Water Wells for Africa, to build 2 new water wells in Malawi, giving entire villages access to clean, safe water." So this is entirely funded by Floki, and it reflects the core pillars of charity, utility, and community, using crypto to create real impact where it's needed most. Fast forward to today, it's almost like Papa Elon knew the market needed a little jolt to shake things up and break the monotony of the news cycle. Just when the meme coin market started cooling off, Floki is once again riding the social media hype train on Monday. Tesla CEO Elon Musk shared an AI-generated video representing his dog, Floki. Within hours, Floki's price jumped more than 25%, hitting a weekly high with trading volume surging over 800%. Even though Elon isn't directly tied to the project, his posts still have ripple effects, especially when they feature his dog, the original inspiration behind the coin. It's a funny reminder of how much personality still drives the space, even when fundamentals are taking the spotlight again. Now, a couple years ago, an Elon tweet like that would have sent meme coins into orbit. We're talking massive spikes, exchanges crashing, people FOMOing in just because they didn't want to miss the next Dogecoin. But because of the state of the market right now, and the way things haven't gone quite how people expected, the reaction wasn't a chaotic frenzy. It was just a spark, enough to grab attention, but not enough to cause a full-on wave. And honestly, that's okay. It probably says more about where traders' heads are at right now. The market's tired, liquidity is thin, and everyone's more cautious than they usually are. So when something like this happens, it's almost like a quick breath of life, a moment of energy in an otherwise quiet cycle. And that's what makes this interesting. Not because of the price pump itself, but because it reminds us that personality still moves markets, for better or worse. At the end of the day, this little surge isn't about chasing pumps or guessing when the next tweet will drop. It's about recognizing that even in a slow market, attention still has power. Floki's team continues to build, from charity work like funding water wells in Malawi to its gaming project Valhalla. Those are the kind of efforts that give a project substance when the hype fades. So while Elon's post might still move the needle, It's the projects that keep delivering during quiet markets that usually come out stronger when things turn bullish again. Whether you like meme coins or not, Floki's showing that a community-driven project with real initiatives can stay relevant, and maybe even mature, in a space that's usually defined by short attention spans. So what do you think? Do you see Floki as just another meme coin, or is it actually trying to become something more? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It is one of the easiest ways to support the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for daily crypto updates. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.